Today we are stepping into the future. Imagine a world where your doctor is a machine, your barista is a robot, and your artist is an AI. 2023 was a landmark year for humanoid robotics, where science fiction finally met reality. From machines that can feel pain to robots that can dream, we are analyzing the most advanced creations of the year. Let's dive into the world of the next generation humanoids. First up, let's talk about Ada. Created by Engineered Arts, she isn't just a machine, she's an artist. With microchips in her eyes, she can recognize human features and draw portraits from life. She even made history by addressing the House of Lords in London. But if we talk about expressions, no one beats Emeka. Powered by ChatGPT, she can simulate human-like conversations and even model dreams. While she admits she doesn't dream like us yet, her ability to run through scenarios makes her feel hauntingly alive. And then there's Dr. Alfred. Spotted in Dubai, this hyper-realistic robot wears scrubs and tells jokes. He's designed to handle tourist inquiries, understand accents, and could soon be the face of hotel administrations worldwide. Robotics is also getting a heart, literally. In Japan, researchers created Feto, a childlike robot head that can actually feel pain through its synthetic skin. Why? To help caregivers understand and react to human suffering more effectively. In the medical field, we have Eric. This robot is a powerhouse designed for nursing and long-term care. With a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, it can gently help move a patient from a bed to a wheelchair. Its movements are soft and flexible, mimicking the grace of a human touch. Even underwater, we have the Ocean 1K. This humanoid diver can reach depths of 1 kilometer, exploring shipwrecks and repairing infrastructure where no human could survive.
Now let's talk about the heavy hitters. Elon Musk's Tesla Optimus Gen 2 took a massive leap this year. It's now 10 kilograms lighter, walks 30% faster, and has sensors in its fingers delicate enough to handle an egg without breaking it. Tesla aims to replace dangerous or boring human labor with these machines very soon. Not to be outdone, Xiaomi introduced CyberOne. Standing at 177 centimeters, it can recognize 45 human emotions and even play the drums. While some say its drumming lacks soul, the technical precision is undeniable. And for the warehouse industry, look at Digit. This bipedal robot is a logistics expert. The most impressive part? If it trips and falls, it can now use its arms to push itself back up and keep working, just like a human. Robots are even entering our kitchens and cafes. Meet Adam, the two-armed barista who can brew your coffee with the skill of a pro. Or Foodly, the Japanese robot designed to work alongside humans in food packaging, ensuring hygiene and efficiency. But it's not all work. Disney's new unnamed prototype, resembling Judy Hopps from Zootopia, is all about emotion. It can rollerblade, perform somersaults, and was designed to create an emotional connection with theme park visitors. It shows that the future of robotics isn't just about utility, it's about companionship. As we look at these incredible machines, one thing is clear. The line between human and technology is blurring. By 2050, robots might be our teammates on the football pitch or our pioneers on Mars. What do you think? Are you ready to share your home with a humanoid? Let me know in the comments below.